Welcome. This is the recording for Chapter 11. Chapter 11 is on the lymphatic and immune system. This will be a multi-part presentation. On slide 2, we have our learning objectives listed for Chapter 11. Just a reminder, if you need to at any time, feel free to pause the video or speed up or slow down the playback speed. Alright, what is the lymphatic system and how is it connected to the immune system? So our lymphatic system is a network of organs, lymph nodes, lymph vessels, as well as lymph ducts. So again, it consists of a network of organs, lymph nodes, lymph vessels, and lymph ducts. Our lymphatic system carries a fluid that's called lymph from tissues back to the blood. How does the lymphatic system help our body? Well, the lymphatic system helps us to fight infections. It also helps us remove waste and toxins. So because it helps our body fight infections and remove these waste and toxins, it's going to be a key part of our immune system. Continuing on to slide 4, here are the prefixes that are presented in Chapter 11. Most of these are repeats. The first prefix we have is a, we know is defined as absence of or without. The second prefix we have an, we know is defined as also absence of or without. Our third prefix, ana, a, and like Nancy, a, this is defined as up or upward or back or backward. All right, so ana again means up, upward, or back or backward. The fourth prefix we have is Brady. Brady is defined as slow. The fifth prefix we have inter, I-N-T-E-R, defined as between. And then our sixth prefix pan, P-A-N, defined as all. Pan defined as all. Continuing on to slide 5. We only have one list or one slide of combining forms for Chapter 11. Our first combining form, adeno, A, D, E, and like Nancy / O. Adeno is defined as gland. Our second combining form, immuno, I, M like Mary, U, N like Nancy / O. Immuno is defined as immune or immunity. So again, immuno defined as immune or immunity. Our third combining form, lympho, L-Y-M like Mary, P-H/O. Lympho is defined as lymph or lymph tissue. So again, lympho defined as lymph or lymph tissue. Our fourth combining form, lymphadeno, spelled L-Y-M like Mary, P-H-A-D like David, E-N like Nancy / O. Lymphadeno is defined as lymph gland or lymph node. So again, lymphadeno defined as lymph gland or lymph node. Our next combining form, lymphangio, L-Y-M like Mary, P-H-A-N like Nancy, G-I/O. Lymphangio is defined as lymphatic vessel. Our sixth combining form, myelo, M like Mary, Y-E-L/O. Myelo is defined as bone marrow or spinal cord. So again, myelo, the combining form defined as bone marrow or spinal cord. Jumping over to the right column, our seventh combining form, phago, P-H-A-G/O. Phago defined as to eat. Our eighth combining form, spleno, S-P like Paul, L-E-N like Nancy /O. Spleno is defined as spleen. The next combining form, thymo, T-H-Y-M like Mary /O. Thymo defined as thymus gland. And then the last combining form, toxo, T-O-X/O. Toxo is defined as poison. Poison. Moving on to our 6th slide, we have several slides of suffixes for Chapter 11. Our first suffix, AC. AC is defined as one affected with. One affected with is that suffix AC. The second suffix, apheresis. Apheresis, A-P-H-E-R-E-S-I-S. Apheresis is defined as withdrawal or removal. Withdrawal or removal is that suffix apheresis. The third suffix, cyte, C-Y-T-E. Cyte is defined as cell. Cell. Our fourth suffix, ectomy, E-C-T like Tom, O-M like Mary, Y. Ectomy is defined as excision or cut out. Excision or cut out, that suffix ectomy. Our fifth suffix we've seen many times, itis, I-T-I-S, defined as inflammation. Inflammation. Jumping over to the right column, our sixth suffix on slide 6, logist. Logist, L-O-G-I-S-T. Logist is defined as specialist who studies and treats. We've seen that one many times. The seventh suffix, logy, L-O-G-Y, defined as study of. Our eighth suffix, megaly, M-E-G-A-L-Y. Megaly defined as enlarged or enlargement. The ninth suffix, oid, O-I-D, defined as resembling. Resembling. And then our 10th suffix on slide 10, we have oma. Oma defined as tumor or swelling. Tumor or swelling. Next slide, slide 7, we have osis. O-S-I-S. Osis is defined as abnormal condition. Abnormal condition. The second suffix on slide 7, we have pathy. P-A-T-H-Y. Pathy is defined as disease. Disease. The third suffix, penia. P like Paul, E, N like Nancy, I-A. Penia defined as decrease or deficiency. Decrease or deficiency. All right, our fourth suffix is poiesis. Poiesis is defined as formation or production. Formation or production. And then the last suffix on slide 7, we have raphy. R-R-H-A-P-H-Y. Raphy defined as suturing. Suturing. All right, on slide 8, we have an example. We have the example immunologist. If we break it down into word parts, we have immune, I-M-M-U-N is our word root. That O is our combining vowel. And then logist is our suffix. If we use the whole rule of using the definition or starting the definition out with the suffix, where we know that logist means specialist. So an immunologist is a specialist who studies and treats immune system disorders. Going on to the next example, we have splenectomy. Splenectomy. We're going to place an analysis slash between the N and the E. Splen, S-P-L-E-N, is our word root. Ectomy is our suffix. If we use the suffix to start our definition, we know ectomy is defined as surgical removal. What's being surgically removed? That word root splen is defined as spleen. So splenectomy is defined as surgical removal of the spleen. The third example we have is lymphadenopathy. Lymphadenopathy. If we look at where we are going to place those analysis slashes, the first analysis slash is going to fall between the N and the O. The second analysis slash is falling between the O and the P. L-Y-M-P-H-A-D-E-N is our word root. That O is our combining vowel. Pathy is our suffix. If we use the rule to define the definition of this term, starting with the suffix, we know pathy means disease of. Lymphadenopathy, the term lymphadenopathy is defined as disease of a lymph node, or it might be swelling of a lymph node due to infection. All right, this concludes the first part of the lecture for Chapter 11. Thank you for joining me.